is Tuesday, May 9th, 2023, also known as day 83 of my $100 account challenge. Here's the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. It's a guy on the internet who trades stocks, so do your own due diligence. Do not follow what I do unless you're willing to look back and see what I've done right and wrong, which is the same thing I'm going to do while trading these stocks. It's a digital catalog of seeing, building on my rights and working on my wrongs. So yesterday, IMRN was one of the leading gappers. It popped up pre-market. I wasn't here at the doctor. I didn't get it home from doctor till 10 o'clock, which is right about here, which is right on that spike almost, well past the spike. I got back at 10 o'clock, which for me, it wasn't worth buying it. It straight pulled back right here and basically never recovered. Also yesterday, I traded none of those. Yesterday I traded in a small account. I forgot. Let me see. I can always look back. Yesterday I traded TRVN in my small account. So I got in at 10 o'clock. I got logged in like 10:03 or something like that. So yesterday I traded TRVN. 10 was right here. Well, let me go backwards. I don't know why I didn't show my trade. There we go. Yesterday I got in about 10 o'clock and I bought in right here at 10:05ish. Right here, this line I drew, popped in, took it 2 candles, got out at the halt. It halted right there. Now I wasn't being greedy. I took my 21 cent, got out the way. I was discombobulated. I got in late. I didn't research nothing, so I was out of it. So I got in, 2 candles out the way, but look, it kept going. Hit a high of 287. So I had a whole dollar more I could have got almost if I would have stayed in it. But, I didn't. Alright. What's moving today? Sorry, y'all, my allergies is really killing me lately for the last probably 5 days. So, MTEK, MobQ. I see MobQ is back. MobQ been on here for many days over the last few weeks. EVR, GSMG. That was up here a few weeks ago as well. GSMG. SHLS was up here a few weeks ago. If you notice, like I say all the time, stocks repeat itself, right? They move in waves. They may go up and down. Either they go parallel, or they incline slightly or decline slightly. Nonetheless, they're gonna always move in waves. So you end up trading the same stocks over and over and over again, which is the reason why I keep making watch lists, because the same stocks pop up over and over and over again. CRO, DRYP, MTEK, MobQ, ENSC. TCMG, SEIM. Allergies is terrible, man, I tell you. Someone was saying something about CLRO earlier. 29 million market cap, 4 million shares being traded. Yeah, a lot of shares traded. Ain't even 9 o'clock yet. It's 8:54. Also, MobQ trading a lot of shares too. 4 million shares apiece. So, did I miss out an opportunity? Talking too much? None to borrow. Like seeing that. We had a buy-in point right now, actually. Wait. Special dividend of $1 payable May 31st. That's the news? MobQ is also on that list. Yep, I'm missing the buy-in point. I could have popped in right there at 236. Yep, I missed the buy-in point, y'all. It's been a straight incline since 4 this morning. It popped up and been riding the wave up since 4 this morning. I need to pull back some to this blue line before I buy in, or I need a couple of red candles in a row. Interesting. So let me go to my charts. Put CLRO right there. And put MobQ right there. Wait, is CRVN still running? Oh, no. MobQ. Oh, it's a cheap stock. I didn't see that. Yeah, 21 cents. I'm not touching that, man. ERYP. I'll put that right there. That's trash too. Put MobQ up here for right now. I missed the buy-in, look like. I'll wait for the pullback, not chasing it. MTEK, I said. MTEK. Interested into agreement with Australia, 7.5 million new product based on companies. Uranus product. That was 6:14 a.m. So that was right about here. It popped up, hit 151, and pulled back. So maybe it's some fluff, but I'm gonna keep an eye on that as well. Put that bottom right there, that support right there, and that resistance looks like it's right there. And let me go over here to my CLRO, which I missed out. All good. They go to bottom right there. We're gonna say support. It's right about there. Another support line is right about there. Another support line is right about there. So we got a few support lines. And they go to first resistance point. Almost touches. Leave that alone for right now. Yeah, I like the move is CLRO. I straight missed the opportunity on that one. I think I have 120 to trade today. So if I bought that at 240, that's, I already know. I don't know why I even did that. Yeah. They're gonna move right there. Oh, I didn't pull. Oh, it did pull back a little bit. It popped my line right there. I wasn't looking. That's what happens when you're doing everything else, man. When you're doing everything else, that's what happens. I wasn't looking. I saw they're gonna pull back there, and I wasn't watching. I was just saying to you guys, I need to pull back a bit before I buy in. I said I need a couple of reds in a row, and there it was, red, tap my blue line. Could have got in there at 235. I'll be up 10 cents already. And that's a strong bullish green candle right there too. What we currently at right now as far as the almost 100%. It's gonna pop 120, 130. Gonna go without me too. Not chasing it. Not chasing it. So where is the market cap? I mean, sorry, the share float on CLRO. CLRO got a 12 million share float. That's the move right there. Wow, I need to pull back, man. I don't want to pop in and that high. Yeah, it still can run a lot higher. But man, wait. Yeah, it's getting higher and higher. Getting further and further away, man. Let's push down the price a little bit. We got 240 right now, 241, 243, 241. Push down a little more. There we go. There go the red candle I was looking for. Take off my time in sales. Add my EXT. Get my auto scene right there. And I'll hop in at 244. I'm going to miss the wave. If I wait too much longer, I'm going to miss the whole wave. Meanwhile, it's going to keep on climbing. We're currently at 95%. Even 5% more will put me at 260, right? And we know by now, stock's going to pop 100% pre-market. It's a leading gapper by 50%. XTCRX wasn't even on the list a little while ago. Let me go backwards a little bit and see how far. What's the next wall at? There's no wall 10 days. There's no wall 30 days. 180 days. It's the highest it's been in a long time. Let me go 1 year. Interesting. 3 years. So it was 325 back here on 8/23/2021. It was 428 on 3/8/2021. So realistically, that's 228. Did that right there. Huh. I'm gonna tip that. I'm gonna tip that just because. Let me see what it does. 28, I drew this a minute ago back there, which is right here through this line. I bought it above that. It's a weird pattern, man. It really is. But it's those two bullish 15-minute candles was telling me to buy it. I tried to get in back here, but I changed my stock to something else, which cost me a couple 10-15 cents. So if you look into this channel right here, you'll see 60 is not far off, but you notice you can't see 80 or $3. Usually when the stock is real bullish, you'll be able to see more than one price target above where it's currently sitting at. And right now we're only looking at 60. Now 25 cents for me, I'm gonna call it, would be 10%. So that's technically, we're gonna say 279, 269, sorry. But for me, it looks like it's too close. So I want to put it higher at 290 for right now because I'm not watching everything closely, which is 50 cents higher than what it is right now. Right? I'm gonna go over here for a minute and look at my charts. It's the only thing right now really making the move. I saw TCRX before. Put it right here. TCRX. It just popped up. It popped up for no reason. Novel targets 30 million upfront payment, 500 million milestone. Okay. TCRX. TCRX has an 18 million share float. Add it to my watch list. You know by now, I like trading stocks with 10 million share floats or less, but I'll take a 20 million one. But sometimes you'll find these stocks with like a 50, 60 million share float running nuts. Oh yeah. Now, I have more money to trade with on this CLRO. No, I don't. I use it all. See, it's popping at this point here. This 228 line I drew a little while ago. So what I see happening is it taps it and it's gonna explode. We have it's 9:07. We have 23 minutes to the market open, and we're gonna explode because there's none to borrow. You see here. Let me go to the chart. I'm down like a couple dollars, something, $7 like that. See, it's none to borrow, so you can't short it, which is always a good thing. My original buy point is where it's at, which I was trying to get in at, which is right here. 35. What we at now? 30. What else we got right here? ENSC. TCRX. This back of mine is no good, man. It's just trash. ERYP is right there. Those lines is no good no more. I draw one there. Cancel. I draw one there. One there maybe. And then one there. I don't know what this is doing right here. I leave that one line right there for right now. ENSC. I put ENSC right here. Nope, I put it right here. Support, that's tipping. It's tapping it right. Look at this. TCRX is making larger and larger green candles. See? It's stair stepping. Meanwhile, my CRO is starting to fail a little bit. There's no support resistance point above this. That's solid. This profit taking happened over here. This was only $1.20 this morning, you know, at 4 a.m. 7 you can trade everywhere else. So 7 was right about here. Right, first green candle. Then it popped up from here. Let me see. So from bottom candle right here to the top of this candle right here is 25%. So 100% put it way up there. So I need is 100% move from 7 a.m. to market opening, first candle market opening. So 100% move from here to market opening, we're gonna call it $4. So my sell point right now is sitting, I think, at 290, which is nowhere near the 100% move point. But notice my line here, right? I drew a little while ago. It's now becoming support. See that red candle on it? So next candle, which comes out in 3 minutes about, it's going to be the determining factor where we end up at. Now this line here is my VWAP, which is at currently at 212. Now I don't see it going that low. I'm gonna watch for a minute, see what happens. $228. This ERYP not doing much of nothing. It's kind of, at this point, taking up space. So we change this ERYP to something else. ENSC, CRLO, TCRX, MobQ, MTech. What's OKYO got going on? Look at it. It popped 575. The candle right there. It's some fluff news, man. That's some fluff news. I'm gonna put it over here anyway. That's some fluff news, man. Trying to get somebody to buy this stock. Notice though, it's hovering around 230 the whole time. It ain't really going below 230, which is great. You needed to make support, right? VCIG, that's like one of the Vanguard stocks, right? No, it's not. Yeah, a lot of fluff news, man. A lot of fluff news. Okay, now we just wait. We sit and wait. So we hit the high of day, pulled back 15, 16 cents, and it's just hovering around this point. So it's going to keep on making highs. So hopefully this is the left shoulder on the head and shoulders. Hopefully it's not the head. It's because this left shoulder, that's the head. Hopefully this is the left shoulder and the head comes in next and blow through all these prices. So over here, you could say it's the left shoulder, this the head, right? Here it's a flat out, this straight up parallel line to a jump up to a point. Maybe we forming a left shoulder right now. Who knows? Let me go over here for a minute. Add some more stocks to my watch list. But everybody and mama is going to be trading CLRO because leading gapper and it's already up almost 100% already. ABEV, AGBA, AMC, ASRT, BBD, CVNA, FSR, LCID, LEXX. If I could have waited a little longer, I would have found my pullback point, which would have been right here. I was telling you I need a pullback. It happened, but it happened right here. I hopped in back here. I didn't wait long enough. Which in turn, taking profit out of my pocket. Look at ENSC right here. 5-day, 15-minute chart. It's running. It wants that smoke. It wants that smoke, man. High of 588. We're at 917 right now. 13 minutes to the bell. TCRX, CRO. What else we got? Back to my 5-minute chart. The 1-minute chart right here. Check this out. Back here from 855. Could have bought a first green to make a new high, 1 minute wise. It could have been riding this wave the whole time. Mob Q is too cheap, man. Might buy it on a small account, but not in my large. My large account. Cause I can buy more shares over there. I bought 10,000 shares. Buried 2,000 bucks. I can run it up 3 or 4 cents. 10,000 shares, a couple dollars, right? This wall, 288 wall, or 228 wall, is failing. I'm gonna hold off still. I trust the process. Mob Q. Mob Q. This ENSC is pulling back right now a little bit. This TCRX just sitting there. So look at the 4 leading gappers. See, now we're at 80%. We were just at 95% a little while ago. profit taking. The good thing about it is this though. Even though it's profit taking, there's no sharp declines. There's no large red candles. Indecisive. Uh, sellers taking over. Seller heavy still. If you go time and sell, see all those greens? The buyer's coming back. So the buyer's trying to hold this stock up at 225, 226 area. And when the market opens, it's trying to run it up from red to green move, explode, maybe a halt in volatility. That'd be great, right? Meanwhile, over here on ENSC, we indecisive, but more sellers than buyers. But look at the numbers. So the red are sellers, of course. The green are buyers. You notice the buyers have a higher amount than the sellers. So basically what I'm saying is they're trying to pull it back up. Even though here the candles are red, so a seller is in charge right now, but the buyers are trying to reverse those numbers. See, green, the buyers are in control. Green, the buyers are in control. Red, the sellers are in control. Hope that makes sense, right? The colors. 920. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles in a row. Profit taking. But we still at 224, 225, which is 20 cents off the high of day. Not bad for 20 minutes. So it's telling me this line right here is okay. Well, I got drawn. Move that one in the way. Let me move that one right there. Move that drawing and put it right here below the VWAP. All right. Look at my camera, see what's going on outside. Okay, it's 9:25. It's 9:25. What's going on? Let's see. Man, look at ENSC, 658. Meanwhile, my CRLO is still hovering around 225-ish. Wait a minute. So how does that? Let me sit down. How did it move that much? Oh, some more news came in 9:17. Clinical study. See, first they put in this right here. Right? Groundbreaking study overdose. Then at 9:17, they put in some more news. That's why I did that. So they double up on news. Yeah. Slick. That's pretty slick. Let's look at the candle. 9:17 candle is back here. News came in right here. Pop, pop, pop. Then it flushed. Well, people saw the news come in, it popped in, they watched it, looked at it, then all of a sudden the buyers came in. Bam. Nice move. Nice move. 9:27. We recovering, about to go bullish right here. See all these red candles right here? See the RSI? It pulled back, it's recovering. At the bell, which is 3 minutes away, we should pop up. Bust through my point. I'm out the way, right? But day news came in at 9:15. Second news, 9:15. Which is right there. Special one-time cash, dividend, common stock. 9:10 inflation report. Back here was something. Back here was something. A $1 dividend came in right there. Remember, retail traders aren't trading right now. They don't trade till 9:30. So all this movement now is our people like us, common stock traders, or people do it for fun. We ain't them big, multi-billion-dollar companies that trade these stocks in large quantities. So our movement not gonna be as much as it would as retail buyers. Here come the buyers right there. Look at that, all them buyers coming in. All buyers, no sellers. At the bell, I'm pop up and see what happens. I'm down 20 cents right now. Need to be up 25 or 30 cents. Hopefully 50. $9.29. We got 1 minute. I'm gonna look at 707 ENSC. God dog it. Here come the bell. 2 seconds. Let's watch it. What we got going? At 7:25, 6:59. There go my stock I'm in right there, top right. There go Mob Q right there. I'm watching, but I'm about to go to my other account for a minute. I want to buy more shares. I'm watching for a second. Seeing what stuff does over here. My sell orders are already in, as you know. We hovering at 217, 218 up here. I'm looking at my stock I'm in. It bounced out the VWAP. It tapped it. Now we got to explode. I'm watching, but I ain't watching. So if it sells, I miss it. If it drops, I'm gonna miss it too. I'm logging my larger account to make some bigger trades. Meanwhile, TCRX also is popping up a little bit. All right, let me see. COROESC. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. It's gonna be 10 at 234. ERYP over here. Let me see. 17. TCRX. Okay. All right. Let me log on now. Wow. We felt like that? Mob Q, not doing much. There goes some money right there. That's my E and SC money. I gotta get out of CRO because it's failing terribly. Trading 22 million shares almost on a 24 million share float. Meanwhile, E and SC is running. So I got down here 8:30 or so. It popped below, hit that line, bounced off it. Boom. Look at that. Test work. That's clockwork. Hit that line. Support, 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 support. Boom. Gone. That strong green 15-minute candles. Yeah, $7.06. That's $7.25. $6.73. What happened to CRO, man? This failed all of a sudden. I'm down 30-40 cents right now. That's crazy. My video almost an hour long. You know, I don't like them real long videos, so maybe end the video pretty soon. Let me watch it from over here. I can see more than one. So I have a sell order in at 25 cents on MobQ. That TCRX sell. My sell TCRX. I have a MobQ sell at 25 cents in my large account. TCRX, I had a sell order at 338. That's already at 350. We're still climbing. 360. Look at that. None to borrow. 25 cent on Mob Q. It should sell, right? 25 cent, right? There we go. Yeah, 25.2 my sell point. It just sold Mob Q. And it hit 25.5. It's wild, man. CRO 206 and climbing. TCRX, ERYP. Do I have ERYP? ERYP. Sell order 117. ERYP. Where we at? ERYP. Right here. ERYP 117. Let's watch. We at 112. None to borrow. 13, 14. I'm looking up here. And here. Still 13 still. There go 14 right there. We're at 8 and 13. We got a large spread. 8 and 13, the bid and the ask. See that spread? You want to see big spreads. That way it moves faster. My sell order's at 117 in my large account, which is right here. Hasn't touched that yet. We got 13, the bid and the ask. ENSC 657 out at 697. I see you, player. At 115, I see on this ERYP. $117. There you go. Right? Wasn't that 117? Yeah, there we go. 117. I'm out of ERYP. This CLRO got me shook, man. I don't know what the heck happened with CLRO, man. Like, that's mind blowing. Let me uncheck this. I miss NVAX. Look at NVAX. I just happen to see it right now. CRO is 210, almost 210, 211, 212. We going back. I'm gonna go back over and see it 220 or 230 maybe. Change my sell point again. But look at CRO. Look at NVAX, man. I straight missed that. I didn't even see it. Is that earnings this morning? Live news. Cut staff 25%. Revenue 1.44 billion. 1.6 billion. EPS earnings 341. They beat earnings, and look at that, it's still going. Get a few of those NVAs before it goes too high. 32. So let's see if it pops 1050. That's a large candle right there. Did it hold? No, it didn't. Let's go 1050. Let's see. At 39, we have 40 right now. Let me take off this news candle. Let's watch right here and watch right here. So my sell order is at 1052. See what happens right here. Yeah, they're in the 30s right now. Today Wednesday? No, today Tuesday. I heard them cutting the grass. 1026. 1030. Need 52. 20 more cents. We at 212 right now, CRO. I'm looking. I'm shocked it didn't pop that 260 mark yet on CLRO. I don't know what happened right there. Meanwhile, TCRX blew past that, then halted. ENSC hit $7, pulled back. MobQ hit 26 cents, pulled back. NVAX hit 1040 and pulled back. But my CRO, it's been hovering around 215, 210, 220 for about an hour now. NVAX, let me put this over here on my charts. I'm watching NVAX right there. So it hit 26 cents. Bunch of red candles in a row. That's wild. After news twice. TCRX still halted. Look at my halts. TCRX LUDP halt at 9:38. We 5 minutes in right now. The halt should come out in, let me see, 35 seconds, 36 seconds. Should have came out. Must be a 10-minute halt then. Because still not moving. Must be a 10-minute volatility halt. So next spot is 9:48. So we have 4 minutes. Also, what else is halted? IPDN. That's volatility. I missed that one. IPDN right here. That's on the down. That's nasty. That's a nasty halt. MRVI halted as well, and OMH. MRVI. That halted on the way up. I didn't see that one either. MRVI. Making money in my sleep. Love to see it. Love to see it. So MRVI. Oh, out the halt. That quick. Now it's dragging butt. It was moving all that time. Then it halted. Now it's dragging. 1401. What else halted? OMH. It's out the halt. That was 931. CLRO is 213 right now and climbing. MobQ back 26 cents. IPDN is halted again. It came out the halt and then halted again. Wait, resumption time. Yep. IPDN. Let me see. IPDN. Let me put it right there. Still halted? That's nasty. Invax, remember my sell point is 1052. Yo, 38 popped in. 40. 42. I'm still in the CLRO, as you can see. I haven't sold yet. I don't know why it fell like that, but it's gonna recover right here. See all them red candles? VWAP consolidation. Next is the up move. 1033, 34. The ERYP is at 116. ENSC about to fail. TCRX still halted. So now we passed, we got 1 minute before it be 10-minute halt, right? TCRX 938.01. So yeah, we have 30 seconds left for this halt. Right here. Let's watch it. Out the halt. Let me go over here for a minute. Let's watch it. We have about 16 seconds for this halt to end. We go more than 10 minutes, we go 15. After 15, it start going 30-minute increments. So we have 9:48.01, 2, 1, right here. There it go. 69, 75, 88. Golly. 490, 491, 99, $5. Ooh-wee. And now it's pulling back. And it's halting the way down. Man. ENSC hit $5 out the halt. I mean, in the video, we got an hour right now, you know, like videos longer than an hour. Takes forever to upload. But I'm still in right here, CLRO. And it's a first green candle in the pullback, so it's about to recover. I'll show you my sell order once it completes. Stay green, don't be greedy. I might have picked the wrong stock. I should have waited for the pullback. Like I kept saying, watch for the pullback. I didn't do that. If I did that, I would never bought it. It could never pull back. Instead, I would have bought this TCRX or this ENSC. Stay green. Day 83 complete.